Hello, fellow Toastmasters. Happy New Year to you and welcome to 2022. And we have hit the ground running here in District 91. I am delighted to report that we have already had our first new demonstration meeting for a new club in the Wembley area. Well done to all those involved in that and good luck. What else have we got? Well, we've got open house meetings aplenty. I am so pleased to see that clubs have taken up that opportunity to use the incentives that we've got in place for that. You'll have had a box of goodies from our Club Growth Director, Diane, all of the materials available on the website to help you run an open house meeting, as well as a £75 incentive for you to claim for marketing your event. So I look forward to dropping into one or two of those events as well. So good luck to all of the clubs that have already set up their open house opportunity. And you never know, some other clubs may also just now think, oh, I'd like to follow suit. So do get in touch with Diane Richardson if you are looking to set up an open house meeting. We also have some clubs that have gone down the Speechcraft route. Well done to you clubs as well. And I look forward to hearing some great feedback on how your Speechcraft courses are going. And of course, this is an opportunity for people who aren't necessarily members of Toastmasters to get a flavour of what it's like speaking in public and a flavour of what Toastmasters has to offer. So good luck to you all as well. It is January and this is a training opportunity. Club officer trainings and district officer trainings are all taking place during the January month. So let's have a look at the district calendar. There are plenty of opportunities, club officer trainings and TLIs available for you to click on and to join in the next couple of weeks. Do take the opportunity. There's evenings, there's weekends, there's all sorts of opportunities out there for you to get your training credit for your club. The district offices, obviously, you'll too, but we'll also be looking to maybe open some other things out in the next couple of weeks. So do keep an eye on the district calendar. See, the webinar series is back on the Sunday evening, so do check out that as well. It is January, and this really is a perfect time to dust off your club success plans. Have a look at how they're doing. You wrote them in the summer. How are you measuring up against them now? I know area division directors are going to be reviewing their success plans, just as we are in the district as well, reviewing our overall success plan. And we've already announced a new initiative for January called Happy New Member. You sign up 3 new members in January. The incentive is £30 for your club. So there you go. A new incentive already coming into place for January for you. As you look ahead as well, maybe go back to your members and double check where you are with your own goals. Yeah, where are we going? Have we achieved what we wanted to do when we set out at the beginning of the year? The club VPN's just saying, oh, there's some speech slot need filling. You know, we've got some people here who haven't quite spoken for a while, encouraging people to take those steps along their own education journey, giving a little bit of a chivvy along to achieve their own educational awards too. And do check that your educational awards are in place. If you're using EasySpeak, make sure that Basecamp and Club Central all match with the educational awards which you have. Just parking that there because obviously we have the International Speech Contest coming up very soon and you will have to have completed level 1 and level 2 and we will want to see level 1 and level 2 completion certificates to take part in that particular speech contest. Do check that all of your educational awards are up to date and filed. And obviously, as we look at our own educational awards and our leadership things, leadership opportunities, for some members now, they might say, well, what's club officer training? So talk to your club officers, see whether or not you want to go along to some of the other training events and get a flavour of what being a club officer can offer for you. There is also the district opportunities as well, and that leadership portal is open until the end. Good luck, everybody, as we go into January. I look forward to seeing you at different events in the next couple of weeks. And I know it's going to be a great fun year for the Toastmaster year, as well as the real year as we go into 2022. Thank you very much. And I will look forward to seeing you at one of your events very soon. Take care.